Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete an old Facebook account without knowing the password. So in the case that you want to go ahead and delete an old Facebook account without necessarily knowing the password, how do you necessarily do so? Well, all we need to do this is to tap on the Facebook application right here. And then once you're already here, of course, you can actually go ahead now and search and basically look for the specific account that you want to go ahead and delete. Now, if you want to go ahead and do this, you could actually go ahead and use this as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm this person and basically use this as my example right now. So if you want to go ahead and use this account and see that this is your old Facebook account and you want to go ahead and delete it, but you don't know the password of it. So I just want you to go ahead and tap on the three dot on this side and then tap on report profile. Now I want you to choose the fake account, and by doing so, we'll actually send you a submit a request to them. And of course, Facebook will actually look into this problem and see in the case that if this guy is actually a real fake account, they are going to look into it and possibly do the proper reprimands to delete the account if it is in case an old account of yours that you have forgotten the password of and you have no access to it already, but you do want to delete it right away. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.